Apparently old Tommy dead. If somebody can find out, blah, blah, blah.
Sorry, sorry, what was that?
Apparently old Tommy dead. If somebody can find out, blah, blah, blah.
No, do it again.
If somebody can find out, blah, blah, blah.
Do it again.
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 Blah, blah, blah.
I can't understand what they said. Do it again.
Blah, blah.
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 Do it again.
But apparently old Tommy dead. If somebody can find out, blah, blah, blah. Everyone's been ringing him like fuck, and he hasn't been answering his phone. So
It's a tricky look at this guy. It is guy. Sarah Louise, subscribe.
No, I can't. What?
Sarah Louise, subscribe.
No, I can't understand. Do it again.
Subscribe.
No, do it again. No, I can't understand. Do it again. No, do it again. No, I can't understand. Do it again. No, do it again. One more. No.
Sarah Louise, subscribe. Subscribe to God.
If you're playing blackjack with a bunch of people that know what they're doing, you can win money. You know, you can win money at blackjack. It's when you've got some dickhead at the end of the table that doesn't know what he's doing and he fucks you up for everyone else.
When I went to Vegas the first time with my mates, one of my mates was black, and he was hitting fucking 30. What am I?
Hey?
When I went to Vegas the first time with my mates, one of my mates was black, and he was hitting fucking 30. What am I? And he was hitting fucking 30. What am I?
Do it again.
30. What am I?
Do it again. Do it again. Hey? Do it again. No, do it again.
And he was hitting fucking 30. 30. What am I? He was hitting 18s and all, so he was.
Go blind quicker.
Hey up, ducks.
Hey, old dogs. Sorry. I was in back of the car.
You were what?
I was in back of the car. My neighbour's back.
Sorry.
I was in back of the car. My neighbour's back.
Do it again.
I was in back of the car. My neighbour's back.
Do it again.
I was in back of the car. My neighbour's back.
Do it again.
My neighbour's back.
Do it again.
Back.
Do it again.
Back.
No, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. I don't know what she's saying. She doesn't know. I don't know.
I was in back of the car. My neighbour's back. My neighbour's car. She was at the shop.
You're right, Toasty. It's a joke. Harry, mate, just you focus on the bean 10 of... Blah, blah.
No, I can't. What?
Harry, mate, just you focus on the bean 10 of... Blah, blah.
No, do it again.
Just you focus on the bean 10 of... Blah, blah.
No, I can't understand. Do it again.
The bean 10 of... Blah, blah.
No, do it again.
10 of... Blah, blah.
No, I can't. What?
Blah, blah.
Do it again.
Blah, blah.
Do it again.
Blah, blah.
Do it again.
Blah, blah.
No, do it again.
Blah,
One more.
blah.
No.
Harry, mate, just you focus on the bean 10 of... Blah, blah. Can't even talk, fuck's sake. The bean stock, mate.
Not really sub to a lot of people on here, to be honest with you, Bex. Sub to about 7 or 8 people, I think.
I know I should sub my fucking something.
What?
I know I should sub my fucking something.
No, I can't. Do it again.
Fucking something.
Do it again. 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 Do it again.
I know I should sort my fucking something. Something out. Yeah, that.
Well, why didn't you